Why boron nitride is called inorganic graphite? Boron nitride is inorganic graphite because its hexagonal form possesses a similar layered structure and isoelectronic nature to graphite, leading to comparable physical and chemical properties like slipperiness and lubricating qualities. Okay, so the structure, hexagonal structure, boron nitride, hexagonal structure, graphite. Okay, the similar structure, boron nitride and graphite. Boron and nitrogen atoms alternate in hexagonal ring, forming layered set mirror the hexagonal arrangement of carbon atoms in graphite. Okay, isolating nature, the total number of valence electron in a boron nitrogen pair is the same as in two carbon atoms. Okay, making boron nitride isoelectronic with graphite and contributing to its similar bonding and structural characteristics. Comparable properties, the structural and electronic similarity translate to shared physical properties. Okay, most notably, the slippery and lubricating nature observed in both hexagonal boron nitride and graphite. Please comment in box to take the PDF form. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you.